Welcome to the Hillgate, Ellington Properties' landmark project in Dubai Silicon Oasis. A fusion of visionary design, prime location and refined living. The Hillgate represents a new era for Ellington that combines our design-led philosophy with the vibrant energy of a thriving community. With Silicon Central Mall and the Central Park just steps away, residents will enjoy nearby shopping and leisure options. Iconic attractions like Global Village, Dubai Miracle Garden, Dubai Autodrome and downtown Dubai are a short drive away. The Hillgate comprises two distinctive towers. Tower A offers 16 residential floors, while Tower B rises with 13 floors, including 2 basements, a lower ground and a ground floor. Designed to cater to diverse lifestyles, this new development offers a total of 356 units, each crafted with attention to detail and space optimization. Studio apartments, 25 units. 1-bedroom apartments, 148 units. 2-bedroom apartments, 68 units. 2-bedroom apartments with a study, 91 units. 3-bedroom apartments, 22 units. 3-bedroom duplex, 1 exclusive unit. 4-bedroom apartment, 1 premium unit. The Hillgate's design reflects Ellington's commitment to bold architecture and timeless style. With a striking facade, spacious layouts and refined interiors, each residence is crafted to maximize light and create a warm, sophisticated environment. Offering an array of thoughtfully curated amenities, the development invites residents into a space of connection, creativity and wellness. Begin with a welcoming lobby reception, complete with a lounge and communal table. A clubhouse features its own lounge, kitchenette, co-working zone with a library and a dedicated arcade room. The Harmonic Hall, a true highlight, serves as a haven for musicians and enthusiasts, offering an ideal environment for jamming, performing and creative collaboration. For wellness, residents can enjoy a fully equipped fitness studio, a yoga studio, chromotherapy, steam and sauna facilities, as well as leisure and lap pools with sun lounges. Families are welcomed with indoor and outdoor kids' play areas, a dedicated kids' pool, a barbecue deck with outdoor dining, and a serene garden with ample seating areas. The payment plan is as follows. The project is scheduled for completion in Q4 2027. Experience a life reimagined at the Hillgate, where inspired design meets a thriving community.